Right now, sitting wherever you are, your body is preparing for an attack that will never come. Your shoulders are raised, your jaw is tight, you're scanning the room without knowing why. You're not in danger, you know that. But your brain doesn't. For almost all of human history, you were prey. Soft, slow, and defenseless in a world full of things trying to kill you. The humans who survived weren't the bravest. They were the most afraid. Fear wasn't the problem, it was the solution. Deep inside your brain sits a tiny structure called the amygdala. It fires before you finish a thought. A sound reaches your ears, and your heart rate climbs, your muscles tighten, adrenaline moves. All before the rational part of your brain even knows what happened. You don't decide to be afraid. You discover that you already are. And here's the problem. That system never got updated. Robert Sapolsky, the Stanford biologist who spent his career studying stress, points out that a zebra doesn't worry about the lion after it escapes. But you replay it. You imagine it. You lie awake at 2 a.m. thinking about what it might do next week. A notification, a passive-aggressive email, a meeting with your boss. Your brain cannot tell the difference between those things and a predator in the grass. It runs the same ancient program every single time. Your brain is running survival software designed for a world that ended 10,000 years ago. You feel it in your shoulders right now, in the way a sudden sound pulls you fully awake, in the way your heart lurches when someone sneaks up behind you, even if it's a friend. These aren't flaws. They are the fingerprints of millions of years of survival written into your nervous system. The lion isn't in the grass, but the part of your brain that watched for it is still here, still scanning, still preparing for an attack that will never come. And somehow knowing that makes it a little quieter.